In this video, I'll be showing you how to use CapCut Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really simple to do this, and you can do this on any phone, or if you're on a laptop or PC, you can do it there as well. So all you want to do is go over to your CapCut application. Now, once you're here, if you haven't ever used CapCut Pro before, you're probably going to get a pop-up giving you a free trial. But if you have used it before, all you're going to see on the top left, it's going to ask you to restart it. So it's going to show you exactly what you can do. As you can see, I now have a special offer for $39 for CapCut Pro for a month, which is honestly a very good deal. It's, a massive discount. It's like a 75% discount, for CapCut Pro. It shows you everything that you're going to get in it as well. But you can do a monthly or a, yearly purchase as well. And then there's obviously standard, which gives you a powerful toolkit as well. So it's up to you what you want to do and what your budget is. And then if you're wondering exactly what CapCut gives you, we'll just go into a project right now. And then, for example, let's say I wanted to do certain effects. I can go to video effects. Basically, the ones with the diamond on them, those are the CapCut Pro effects. So there are free ones, of course, but the really good ones, they're going to be with CapCut Pro, obviously, and there's going to be a lot of them. Same thing goes for like transitions or anything like that. You could, like, let's say I wanted to, start a transition or anything. All I would have to do is go over here, and then there's going to be so many different things I'll be able to use. And even like when it goes to something like filters, there's going to be a lot of really cool filters, but a lot of them are going to be behind a paywall. So yeah, it's really up to you exactly what you want to do. I could press the pro thing right here as well. It's going to show me everything that I'm going to be able to get. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well.